Hello friends, myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Arcoin. Today I will discuss another video on Python programming language. Okay. Today I will discuss 3 different problems in Python step by step. So go to the computer screen. Through Python ideally I will quote 3 Python problems step by step. So let's dive in. Friends, I'm just within the Python IDE and here I will discuss 3 different problems in Python, right? So first problem is that write a Python program that prompts the user to enter their email address and then extracts the username and domain from the email. Suppose the email address is like that, abc@gmail.com, then it can find out the username is abc and domain name is gmail.com. Okay, so we write the code within this file, already saved the file named example_6.py. okay, so at first we write a variable, put the name is email and just take an input. We already know the input is taken in Python in form of string, right? So just write here enter a email, okay, and then put a colon, then double quote, close the parenthesis, then write dot strip this particular function, right? And then we are using another variable username, just write equal email, and then we are just used here the slicing, okay, so just write within square bracket colon and then just write email dot index and just within the parenthesis just write in a single quote @ because we know for email identification we know one of the character is @, okay, then close this single quote and then close this parenthesis, okay, and then close this square bracket, okay, and now take another variable, this is domain, and just write equal and same way email, and again we use the slicing, square bracket open, and just write here email dot index and send the argument same thing within single quote @ parenthesis close, then just write +1 and then put this colon here and then close the square bracket, okay, and now we just print in form of formatted string, just write print and within parenthesis just write f, within double quote just write user name is, just write within a curly brace the variable username curly brace close, and domain name is, just write within curly brace domain curly brace close and then close double quote, then close this parenthesis, okay. So now we save the file, just press Ctrl S and it's saved within the file example_6.py. If you run this code just press F5. so now this is a given enter email, so just write here abc.123@gmail.com and press enter. So username is abc.123 and what is the domain name? gmail.com. I hope you have understood the first program in Python, okay. Now the second problem is that write a Python program that prompts the user to enter a phrase. The program should generate an acronym by taking the first letter of each word in the phrase, right, converting it to uppercase and concatenating these letters, right. The word of should be ignored when creating the acronym. Suppose United States of America, write in form of USA, all are in capital letter, okay, and here of should be ignored, and that's why we are using here replace, one of the string function we are using here, right. So here we write the code, okay. So at first we take a variable, put the name is user underscore input and then we take the input same way. The Python takes input in form of string, so just write here enter a phrase, okay, then put a colon, double quote, end, parenthesis close, and then we take another variable phrase and put equal, and then write user underscore input. This variable dot replace this particular function we are using here, and here we are replacing this off by a empty string. So now here we are using a empty string, just write single quote open, single quote close, okay, then close this parenthesis, then write dot and use another function split, parenthesis open close, okay. And now we take another variable a equal and just write double quote open close, and now we take a for loop, just write for and just write here word in phrase, put a colon, and then we are write in that way a equal a plus word in the position 0 dot upper, because for the word is concerned the first letter should be capital, like united, so U should be capital, right? And after we just print, just write here print same way, the formatted string, use F, within double quote we just write here acronym of, and just write within braces user underscore input is, and just write within braces again a, and then close this parenthesis, okay. Now you save the file, just press Ctrl S, and it already saved within the file example underscore 6.py. If you run this code, just press F5, and what it is given, enter a phrase. Suppose we write here United States of America, and if you press enter, so acronym of United States of America is USA, so off is ignored, right? So in that way we do our second problem, right? I hope you have understood the second problem in Python, right? Now go for the third problem, and the third problem is that write a Python program that generates a random password based on a specified length, right? The password should include a mix of lowercase letter, number and special characters, right? The user should be prompted to enter the desired length of the password, right? So I'm just writing the code here, just remove this code and just write here. At first we import the module known as random, right? It's need in for that particular problem is concerned, okay? And then we take a variable pass underscore len, put a equal, and now we take input for in form of integer, so just write int and then just write input, and within parentheses and within double quote just write enter the length of the password, put a colon, double quote, int, parenthesis close, okay. Then take another variable pass underscore data. Now here we put within double quote lots of printable character randomly, whatever the given within the keyboard, okay. Suppose we take like that, whatever the printable character is there and special character, numeric character, we all are using here according to our requirement, right? So lots of special character we are using here, and numeric and the alphanumeric is concerned, okay. And we write within a double quote, and then we just write another variable password equal, and just take a empty string, then put dot, and then use the join function, and within parentheses just write random dot and use a sample this particular function and send as argument pass underscore data, this variable, comma another variable pass underscore len. Close this parenthesis, okay. Now we just print the password, just write print and just write password, this variable. If you save this file, Ctrl S, within the file example underscore 6.py, just run this code, press F5, enter the length of the password, suppose put 6 and press enter. So randomly it generates from our some of the special character, numeric and alphanumeric is given within particular variable. From there it take randomly 6 character like FC9YX1. Again, if you run this code, suppose we take the password, for example 8 as a length, so it generates same way in randomly. I hope you have understood today's video, and I have described 3 different problems in Python. If you have some doubts for today's video is concerned or today's problem is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arcane for more videos. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.